Dude, I almost fell into like the Dead by Daylight lore. I was so close, and then I was like, I gotta stop.
It was pretty cool. I actually like it. So whenever someone dies, they just fucking get transported here. Bill's actually canon, man. Whenever someone dies from like a horrific fucking thing, they just get transported here, bro.
I saw people just ended up there randomly.
When they died, they have to be like murdered.
No, because the way Dwight ended up in
He died
there.
somehow.
No, these motherfuckers went into the woods.
He died somehow, bro.
Fucking you, Kim.
Yeah,
I
the
never
fog
seen
like
this
cast
map.
around them and shit. They died somehow, bro. They died and they ended up there.
So I don't know how to.
Nicolas Cage is dead, bro. It's canon. Shut up!
Oh my god, the fucking dead, bro. The fucking
Died.
She was doing that shit on purpose. She did that shit on purpose, bro.